Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the Ninja QB1004 blender and food processor, featuring a powerful 450-watt base. This versatile kitchen tool comes with a 48-ounce pitcher perfect for frozen blending and smoothies. It also includes a 40-ounce processor bowl ideal for meal prep and food processing. For precise chopping, there's a 16-ounce chopper bowl that handles ingredients evenly. All jars come with storage lids, are dishwasher-safe, and BPA-free for easy cleanup. The set includes a splash guard and 2 storage lids for added convenience. Whether making shakes or prepping meals, this Ninja makes kitchen tasks simple and efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.